How to remove debit or credit card on TEMU. So when you remove your debit or credit card from a TEMU application, it will immediately log your new purchases, cash advance, and also your bank transfers will be blocked. This way, if the card falls into the wrong hands, fraudulent purchases can be prevented. So in order to remove, first of all what you want to do is head over to your application TEMU. Make sure you are logged into a specific account. Click on You at the bottom, and then head over to the settings at the top right corner. Inside settings, head over to your payment methods. It will land you on this interface. So right now you can see that I haven't added any debit or credit card, so I won't be able to remove it. But for you, if you have added any of the card, then it will be visible in this page. You need to head over to the card that you want to remove. Once you have clicked on it, the option of remove will be visible to you. Simply tap on remove and click on OK. Then your credit or debit card will be removed from the TEMU account successfully, and then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can remove your credit or debit card from TEMU. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.